Good morning, students. Welcome to your Mont III maths class. Students, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 12. Today we will trace numbers from 41 to 50 on book page number 12 and book page number 13. Let's start. Firstly, you have to read the number. Which number is this? It's 41. 41. How many tens in 41? 4 tens in 40 and 1 ones. Now trace it and read aloud. 41. 41. 41. 41. And what comes after 41? 42. 42. Trace the 42 number. 40 and another 2. 42. 43. 43. And what comes after 43? 44. 44. Trace the 44 number on the page number 12. What comes after 44? 45. Trace the 45 number here. 45. It's 45. Students, now come to book page number 13. Here are the numbers from 46 to 50. Let's trace now. Which number is this? It's 46. 46. 46. 47. 47. 48. 48. What comes after 48? 49. 49. And what comes after 49? 50. 50. How many tens in 50? 5 tens in 50 and 0 ones. How many tens? 5 tens. You have to trace the 50 number. 50. 50. Students, now read it again. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now kids, it's your turn. You have to trace numbers on book page number 12 and on book page number 13. Numbers from 41 to 50. Allah Hafiz.